Hi, Lance Stander from Superformance and Shelby Legendary Cars. It's another wonderful year for us to be at SEMA and show off our Superformance and Shelby Legendary Cars. We have brought a variety of our cars from the MKIII, we've got our Superformance MKIII, our Superformance GT40 in the left corner there. Behind us you'll see the Corvette Grand Sport, you'll see the Shelby Daytona. The product line in Superformance has grown. We have the FIA, we have the slab side Cobra, and it's just been a wonderful year of success in sales of all the Shelby cars and Superformance cars. If you'd love to know more about our cars, visit superformance.com or shelbylegendarycars.com. You'll find our dealers listed there. You can go and visit them. They'd love to fulfill your dreams to owning one of our cars.